Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Redux Toolkit with Firebase Firestore. So today we are going to learn how to show all the data from the Firestore database. So we are basically listing the leads, right? So listing over here. So how we are going to fetch all the data from the Firestore database, we are going to learn in this video. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the listing. Okay, so we have the lead list, right? List.js. Okay, so here is the code for manipulating everything like data, like this is the buttons edit lead, and this is the delete lead, right? So all the data before one item.city, item.contact, all the data is coming out right here. So let's see how it is implemented, right? So we have to go with this one. Okay, so we have the list data, Firestore collection lead data on snapshot. For this one on snapshot, okay, this one lead list snapshot dot docs map id doc id. Then this one doc data filter I deleted that to be the 0 because some of the records we have deleted. So we have filter out with this data and set the lead data as a lead list. So what this is how we will get all the leads, and we will get it by the help of the lead list, right? The list use effect, you can see that we have called this API lead list data. Okay, and after this one we have the delete function already discussed, right? And we have a dispatch function also. So you can see that after the data is set, we will get it from the help with the help of the item dot lead name, because see, we have mapped the data leads data dot map dot item, and after that we are just showing the data in from here. So main data is like we have here list data Firebase Firestore collection, this one on snapshot. This will help to get all the leads of that table or table, right? And we will just call this API and set that into the state, and we will fetch all the data in the listing part. This is how we are showing the list of the leads from the cloud Firestore into the React Redux Toolkit Firestore database, right? So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.